In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're focusing on how to make text appear as a subscript, which is perfect for things like chemical formulas, mathematical indices, or citations where certain characters sit slightly below the baseline. I'll walk you through the exact path in the Google Docs menu so you can apply it confidently every time. With your document open, start by selecting the exact characters you want to turn into a subscript. You can drag your cursor over a single number, a letter, or a short piece of text. Being precise here matters because only the highlighted portion will be affected. If you don't select anything, the command will set your typing mode to subscript for whatever you type next. Next, move to the top menu bar and click Format. This is where Google Docs keeps most of the styling and layout tools that change how your text looks. When the menu opens, hover over text to reveal more options related specifically to character formatting. From that text submenu, click Subscript. As soon as you do, the selected text will drop slightly lower and shrink just a bit, signaling that the subscript formatting has been applied. This is the standard typographic look you'd expect for things like the 2 and carbon dioxide. At this point, you're all set. If you continue typing immediately after a formatted selection, note that Google Docs may keep subscript turned on for the new text. If that happens and you want to return to normal text, simply repeat the same path. Format Text Subscript to toggle it off. You can also use undo if you applied it by mistake. A few quick tips to make this smoother. There's a handy keyboard shortcut that toggles subscript on and off without opening menus. On Windows and Chrome OS, press Ctrl and the comma key. On a Mac, press Command and the comma key. This is especially useful if you're adding several subscripts throughout a paragraph. If you need to adjust a larger section, you can select multiple instances first and then apply subscript once to save time. And if you ever notice your formatting looks inconsistent, make sure you didn't select extra spaces or punctuation. Subscript applies exactly to what's highlighted. That's all there is to it. Highlight the text, go to Format, open text, choose subscript, and you're done. With these steps and the quick shortcut, you'll format subscripts in Google Docs quickly and accurately whenever you need them.